Tapcheck lets employees access part of their already earned wages before payday by connecting to employer payroll systems and tracking hours worked in real time. By the end, you'll know how Tapcheck actually releases money, what makes it different from payday loans, and whether it's useful in 2026 or just another early pay app with limitations. Start with how it works. Tapcheck integrates with employer payroll systems to track your earned wages as you work. It calculates how much of your paycheck you've already earned before the official payday arrives. Now explain what that means. You are not borrowing money. You are accessing wages you have already earned but have not been paid yet. Now explain how access works. Employees can request a transfer from their available earned balance inside the app. The money is then sent to a linked bank account or card, depending on employer setup. Now explain the key requirement. Tapcheck only works if your employer is partnered with the platform. Without that integration, the app cannot access your earnings data. Now explain the main benefit. The main benefit is timing flexibility. You don't have to wait for a fixed payday to access money you've already earned. Now explain the trade-off. Every early withdrawal reduces what you receive on your next paycheck, because you are simply getting paid earlier, not receiving extra income. Now explain the biggest misunderstanding. Tapcheck does not increase earnings. It only changes when you receive earnings you have already worked for. Now explain who it helps most. It is most useful for employees with steady income who occasionally face short-term gaps between bills and payday. Now explain who it is less useful for. It is less useful if you rely on early access every pay cycle to cover basic living expenses. That can turn it into a dependency instead of a convenience feature. Now explain how it compares to loans. Tapcheck is not a credit product. There is no interest because there is no borrowing or debt involved. Now explain the main limitation. Availability depends entirely on employer participation. If your workplace is not enrolled, the app cannot be used. Now summarize the core idea. Tapcheck is a paycheck timing tool, not extra income. It gives early access to wages already earned through employer integration. And its value depends on occasional cash flow needs, not constant reliance. One practical next step: check with your employer before downloading Tapcheck, because eligibility is the only factor that determines whether you can actually use it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of money apps without confusion.